G'day, I'm Scott Brien from Bella Lana Merino Stud from Central West New South Wales, and we breed merino rams basically for the next century. My father was a man of the land, my grandfather was a man of the land, and the generation before that also had country as well. When we first had our original website, we never used to touch it much. We didn't really look at it. We were embarrassed basically the way it looked. Dinesh from NetStripes said there's funding there available that will make things more affordable for us. At the same time, it's not just more affordable, but what they were presenting actually worked as well. Through the website and then through Facebook, we're running more and more programs all the time. So it's something we've taken on board, and it's something that's not just sat back in the cupboard anymore. We're actually out there really pushing it. I had a phone call from South Australia wanting to know if they could come and have a look. So it's been good. Well, I'd like the business to be profitable enough to be comfortable, and I'd love to just have that legacy there to pass on to the girls. Get in contact with some of these guys, it is a lot easier than what you think, and there's people there to help you through every step of the way.